Hi everyone, welcome to Karl Woodcraft. We're off to the wood yard this morning, which is NR Burnetts, our local timber yard in Hull. Supplies Hull, East Riding, North Lincolnshire and even further afield than that. We're going to buy some PSE, plain square edge timber this morning, and normally when you think of PSE, especially around these parts, it's normally joinery grade timber, pine, whereas NR Burnetts, which is my favourite supplier of timber in the area, which supply me with sheet goods, joinery timber, construction timber and hardwoods. The hardwoods are normally rough sawn. If you know anything about milling timber, you know that quite a laborious task, it takes quite a while. You need the machinery for starters, it's very dusty, noisy, and if you can have that job done for you, then it's definitely beneficial. So what we're going to do is we're going to nip to NR Burnetts, see what selection of hardwoods in PSE they have got, then we're going to make a nice cabinet out of it. Hopefully we're going to see how the milling takes place as well, and we can see some of the large machines that get the timber all nice and planed up for us. Right, we're just round the corner now from NR Burnetts, which is located on Sutton Fields in Hull. You can see it just across the roundabout there, look. Real nice, isn't it? This is the main entrance, and the staff are all nice and friendly, so don't worry about coming in here and chatting to them. Really helpful. No? Hiya. Hi guys, you alright? So I've come to see Steve, and then we're going further back to see Neil.
Right now, I'm going to take a name.
It's Karl.
Karl.
Are you alright? Yeah, that's all right.
Come see Neil.
Yeah. Right guys, we're in the milling area. Neil's just gone to sort some walnut out for us. Just looking inside the milling machine here. This is what gets your timber, PSE. So look at the size of these rollers here, what drag it through. You've got a big planer heads under here. See that saw blade there? These cutters. We do all sorts of moulding in here. While we're waiting, we're going to play darts with one dart. So there it is, all rough stone, look. Excuse the loud noise, the milling machines are working, but it's going in like that, rough, and then we'll see how it comes out in a minute, nice and smooth, and square on all four edges. So it's just going to run a test piece through first, we'll be able to see it. We've got to stay back behind this yellow line. Lovely black walnut. So they've got the pricing on here, look. So 1x9, I think, which is this stuff here, that's £95.98. And I think that's, well, 2.15 metres. So as you can see, the pricing's slightly more expensive than it is for rough sawn, but it's taking all that effort and work out of it for you, innit? You think you don't need the machinery, and obviously the time, the dust, all that sort of stuff. So for me, it's definitely good value for that. So we've got our 3 1x5s of walnut, black walnut, which looks really nice. And this is where they keep the stock which is ready to take away in NR Burnetts. But if you go speak to the staff, say you have a special request, say you want some white oak or you want some walnut or beech or whatever, you can ring in advance or come in and see them, and they'll get that milled up to you so it's PSC ready for you to collect. Like I said, there is a little bit of an add-on to the cost if you want it PSC, but it's just time saving, mess saving, and obviously machining, which you don't have to do, and machines that you don't have to buy. So we're going to take our walnut back home with us now, and we're going to make a real nice cabinet for the workshop to put our hand tools in. So I'll catch you back at the workshop.